Hello everybody! In this video I want to show you how to scan a QR code without an extra app. Normally, most of you people have an extra app for the QR codes to read them. And if I go to the App Store and just search for QR code scanner, then a lot of apps, I can see a lot of apps there, and those apps always say QR code reader. Of course, these apps have additional functionalities, not only to use for the traditional QR codes, but also for other codes. But if you want to read a standard QR code, you don't need an extra app when you have the newest iOS version installed on your iPhone 13. The only thing that you need is your camera. And I start now my camera, and here I have a German magazine, and here I have a QR code. And if I go with the iPhone 13 on this QR code, the camera automatically recognizes this QR code and shows me, okay, what it will open. In this case, it is a homepage. So you can use the camera for normal QR codes, also if this is a QR code for a contact or for a web page or for other information that's within this QR code. So it's pretty easy. Just use your iPhone camera, and if you want additional functionalities, you can search in the App Store, of course, for other QR code readers, but I personally don't use a QR code reader app. So I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.